You have been hearing about affirmations ever since the book and the movie The Secret came out. There are numerous YouTube videos, quotes on Google, and many new books that have been written about affirmations. Some of them work, some of them don't work, and sometimes they do work. The reason why sometimes these affirmations don't work for you is because these are not your affirmations. They are not filled with the energy and the frequency that you need and the emotions that come from you to make these affirmations work. They are someone else's affirmations. So hi, I am Malini Rajendran, founder of the Divine Heart Academy and your Divine Heart Energy Wizard. So would you like to know how to make your affirmations that work for you? I invite you to join me in a 7 days affirmations challenge. You see, affirmations are not just statements or words that you repeat and say aloud. They are actually the vehicles with which you create energy fields of positive frequencies in your life to transform your life. And you know, the real secret to all forms of affirmations and thoughts are not just the words, but the feelings and emotions that these words create inside you and how you feel when you say them. Affirmations also need to be a part of your vision, mission, and goals in life. So there is a sequence, a method to creating your affirmations so that they work for you and bring you the transformation that you need and are looking for in your life. And that is exactly what you will learn in the 7 days challenge. To create affirmations for your own unique condition, for your own unique challenges, and for all that you want to transform in your life. In the 7 days challenge, you will learn the secret techniques to creating affirmations that work for you, bringing you miracles. So come join the 7 days challenge and take this journey to become a new you, to live a new life full of success, happiness, and bliss. It is your birthright. So just click on the link below now. Commit to transforming your life and begin your amazing journey. So I look forward to seeing you in the challenge.